To construct 4 battery brackets, you will require the following components: 8 connection bars, 8 brackets, 16 M6*12 bolts. Take out the battery brackets and accessories. Align and place the bottom brackets in tandem. Use 4 M6*12 bolts to connect the connection bar to the bracket and securely fasten it. Position the battery on the bracket, ensuring that the inner side of the module mounting ear is flush against the bracket. Secure the front panel of the battery with 4 M6*25 screws. Place the battery on the bracket. Demonstrate the installation using a 2-layer stacking rack as an example. Continue stacking batteries until the desired number of layers is reached, supports up to 5 layers. We require the following cables for battery connection: parallel negative cable, parallel positive cable, parallel communication cable, grounding cable, inverter battery communication cable, inverter battery negative cable, and inverter battery positive cable. Connect the battery parallel positive cables first, followed by the battery inverter positive cables. Connect the battery parallel negative cables first, then connect the battery inverter negative cables. Connect the communication cables one by one. Note, the connectors at each end of the battery inverter cable are distinct. Ensure proper connection by matching the cable markings to the corresponding ports. For proper installation of the grounding cable, please securely fasten both ends of the cable at this location. Note, ensure all connections are secure and follow safety guidelines during the installation process.